Top 15 No Carbs, No Sugar Foods for a Healthy Diet. In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, more individuals are turning to no-carb, no-sugar diets to manage weight, boost energy levels, and improve overall well-being. Choosing the right foods is crucial for success in this endeavor, and here we explore the top 15 no-carb, no-sugar foods that can elevate your health and transform your eating habits. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient powerhouses with minimal carbs and no sugar. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, these vegetables not only contribute to a well-rounded diet but also support digestive health. Incorporating leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or as a side dish can add vibrancy and nutrition to your meals. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a versatile cruciferous vegetable that adds texture and flavor to various dishes. Low in carbs and sugar, broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folate. Whether steamed, roasted, or included in stir-fries, broccoli provides a satisfying crunch while contributing to your daily nutrient intake. 3. Avocado. Avocados are a unique fruit that stands out in the no-carb, no-sugar category. While most fruits are naturally sweet, avocados are creamy and rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. This makes them an excellent choice for those seeking a satisfying and nutritious food that can be enjoyed on its own, in salads, or as a creamy spread. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and protein-packed option for a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs can be prepared in various ways to suit different tastes. They are also rich in essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, making them a wholesome addition to any meal. 5. Chicken. Skinless, boneless chicken breasts are a lean source of protein, making them an excellent choice for a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Versatile and easy to prepare, chicken can be grilled, baked, or sautéed to suit various culinary preferences. 6. Fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are not only carb-free but also provide essential omega-3 fatty acids. These fats contribute to heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Incorporating fish into your diet can be both a flavorful and nutritious choice, whether baked, grilled, or pan-seared. 7. Cheese. Cheese is a low-carb, high-fat dairy option that can add richness and flavor to a variety of dishes. While it's essential to moderate portions due to its calorie density, cheese is a satisfying snack or ingredient in salads, omelets, and casseroles. Opt for natural, unprocessed cheeses for the best nutritional profile. 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. While they contain some carbs, the fiber content helps mitigate their impact on blood sugar levels. As snacks or additions to meals, nuts and seeds provide a satisfying crunch and a nutrient boost. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that serves as a low-carb substitute for grains and starchy vegetables. Use cauliflower to create rice, mashed potatoes, or even pizza crust, providing a satisfying and nutritious alternative to carb-heavy options. 10. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are lower in carbs and sugars compared to many other fruits. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, berries make for a sweet and nutritious addition to your no-carb, no-sugar diet. 11. Greek yogurt, unsweetened. Opt for unsweetened Greek yogurt to enjoy a creamy and low-carb dairy option. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, promoting gut health while offering a versatile base for various dishes and snacks. 12. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-carb, high-fiber vegetable that can be used in various dishes. Whether spiralized into noodles or sliced for grilling, zucchini adds a refreshing element to your meals without adding unnecessary carbs or sugars. 13. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are relatively low in carbs and sugar, making them a versatile ingredient for salads, sauces, and snacks. They are also rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C and lycopene, which contribute to overall health. 14. Shrimp. Seafood lovers can rejoice in the inclusion of shrimp in a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Shrimp is a lean protein source with minimal carbs, making it a delightful addition to salads, stir-fries, or grilled dishes. 15. Cucumber. Cucumbers are not only low in carbs but also hydrating and refreshing. With a high water content, cucumbers make for a crunchy snack or a light addition to salads, providing a satisfying crunch without compromising your dietary goals.